Hey YouTube family and friends, welcome back to my channel. So happy Tuesday, y'all. Today is Tuesday, March the 24th. So y'all, I just hopped on quick to let y'all know what's going on. I uploaded the video today, DIY pottery barn dupes. I ain't got a lot of views on it, so if y'all ain't watched it and liked it, go ahead and do that for me. Do that for your girl. And share it. You can share the video. So anybody you know that's into, DIYs, doing stuff on their own, all of that, go ahead and share the video with them. But what I came on for was to let y'all know I'm getting ready to. I was going to start on my bathroom cabinets, but I think I'm getting ready to start on the kitchen drawers. So I just thought, let me pick the camera up and let y'all know what's going on before I go in there and get started. I don't know if it's going to take me long at all. Actually, this video really could be a little short video. 5, 6, 7 minutes. But we're going to see. I'm going to go in there and it's a lot of stuff that's in the drawer that I probably haven't used or haven't used in a long time. But however, it just needs to be organized. So I'm getting ready to go in there and pull a chair up and get started. So, all right. Okay, y'all. Don't let it scare y'all. It's got a little glare because of the light over the table. I moved y'all. I'm trying to block it with my head. We'll start with this top one. And, you know what? I'm gonna get some containers out. Just get these for there. So, some stuff you can't part ways with. I still got baby spoons. How many of y'all be keeping this kind of stuff? I do. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be. I hate to throw these away, even though I don't use them. Because I know they probably could be used for something else. Never use that pineapple thing in there. I got these at home. Okay. I got this. This is a scrubber for your fruit and vegetables. I've had for a long time. Some sports. And the crown royal bags I use for change. I don't use kind of napkins. I keep these for ashtrays for people that smoke and they come over. Not in my house, but outside. So that's from the patty pies or the pecan pies. Another crown bag. That's old stuff. Got a backyard barbecue book. Old, y'all. When I say brush. We ain't no alcoholics over here, just to let y'all know. Now this was the caramel crown, but I be keeping the bags. I don't care if I go somewhere and somebody got one, I keep them. Chopsticks and screwers. That's all out the pack. Let me get this out here. I use this for projects. I used to make all of the baskets with the. I made the liquor baskets, the candy baskets, stuff like that. I got some more tongs. So let me get this stuff together. I'm just gonna take the stuff out and share with y'all. And I'm trying to go as fast as I can.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. And maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the
It's longer. Have y'all ever bought let me see this. Y'all ever purchased Gorilla? Not I said Glorilla. Gorilla Glue. I got a couple of these in here. When you open these things, if you don't use them, it's like after the first or maybe the second use, they just turn hard. Look at that. Hard. Both of them. Both of them. That's why I don't know what made whoever put that mess in their head that day. So it's all cleaned out. Got a little bit of stuff in here. Salt and peppers or whatever. I'm going to take care of that real quick.
maybe just a better kind of bitter.
I'm sweating, y'all. But yeah, so that's it, y'all. Y'all see, I took the oven mitts and stuff out of there. I'm gonna put them under the sink in the basket. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with y'all real quick.